Hello gadget friends, it's me again, and I'm reviewing a piece of tech. I haven't had a proper gadget or a bit of tech for some time, mainly because it's an expensive hobby, and of course I work for the NHS, so I won't say no more. Also, this tech really is something that I kind of looked at a while back and decided it's not really for me, and it's really expensive. So what am I talking about? Well, this thing, it's a smart ring. They made a sort of appearance maybe a couple of years ago. Samsung do one, there's one called an Aura, and there's a few others. But the first thing is, they're expensive. I mean, you can pay £300 or more for one of those branded smart rings. They're also geared rather heavily towards sports, and as you can probably tell looking at me, I haven't exactly done the London Marathon lately. But they also have other functions. For example, most of them do sleep tracking, and I have a problem or two sleeping myself, and heart rate and blood oxygen, all sorts of bits and pieces. So I looked around at various options, and I thought I'm not spending that amount of money. And now smart rings have become cheaper. I mean, you can pick them up at £20 and places like Amazon. I looked at the variety of options, and always, please do the same. Always check the reviews. And this one, this is from a company called Free Time. It's comes in a little box. It's quite straightforward to set up. I literally just pair it. Comes with a quick guide and setup. It also, like most of these, it comes with a little sort of charging dock, and you literally just slot the ring. Be careful, because the ring itself's got a charging port. Although it is magnetic, it does require you to put it in roughly where you need it, and then it'll go into place, otherwise it won't charge. I literally got it yesterday, and my lovely wife bought it for me for Christmas, otherwise I'm not sure I would have done it. First things first, it's a ring. Not everybody's fingers are the same, so what I did is I got one of these things, which is a simple ring sizer. So if you are going to go and get a ring, it's probably sensible to make certain it's going to fit. Mine is a Z, and it's quite a straightforward little thing, and it comes with a little chart, tells you what they are in the various countries, because we all have slightly different ways of measuring things. So what's it do? Well, it's available in 3 colours. I've obviously gone for the black one. You also got gold and silver. The nice thing is the price point. It was slightly under £50. It wasn't in the Black Friday sale either, so that's the standard price. That was on Amazon. I tend to buy most of my stuff from Amazon, but shop around, please do. It's quite straightforward. The only thing I will say, especially on the black one, is that you have to tap a part of it to actually get it. And this one's got a display, and that's quite something I really kind of wanted, is to be able to see that display. And then you tap on the edge, and it'll swap between the various modes. Now I've got it set up for steps. I've done 27 so far today. It's a really busy day for me, for heart rate and also for the time. It does gestures, so you can, for example, take pictures from your phone using it. You can answer your phone with it. You can stop, pause, fast forward music and so forth. It is quite straightforward. Not that you can easily see, but inside there are, if you can actually see it, put it on camera, there are sensors inside the thing, and as you can probably see, there's a light on the front as well. It's quite straightforward and easy to operate. It's very easy to put it on upside down. If you do that, it's going to be a problem, but obviously, hopefully you can see that it's got numbers on it. So if you've got the numbers up the right way, you've got it on the right way. And as I say, it's short and simple, it's sweet, it's easy to use, seems okay. I don't know how many hours it will last. As always, I'll try and post something at the end of the review, so you can have a look yourself. So that's it, my first smart ring. I don't wear a ring anyway normally, so it's kind of a double whammy for me. So I'm going to wear it tonight, see what the sleep tracking does. The app, which is obviously free, and I should say that it doesn't have a subscription, which is wonderful. It's called Q Ring. Hopefully you can see that. It's got all sorts of things, including something that I had to Google. It's called Daily Tisba. And I think that's, I mean, I don't really know what it is. Maybe you should do it, but it's about well, it says I've had 27 Tisbas. That's exciting. I think it's something to do with well, it's got a picture of Quran on the front, so maybe the prayer times, I'm not sure. And the activity, sleep, heart rate, recording of sports, your HRV, which is your heart variable rate, blood oxygen, stress, and so forth. It will link to a health app and collate all of that lot, including your calories, and you can set goals and so forth. So that's it. It's the free time smart ring, and as I say, 50 quid. If it doesn't work out, it's no biggie, I guess, but I'll let you know in due course once I've had time to try it out in earnest. So that's it. Thanks again for watching my channel, and give us a ring.